Tell me what to do, master. What do I do?
The magic carpet got me into this mess. The carpet.
Yes,
Gino,
yes.
can you fly it using your magic? Will it be possible for you?
The carpet?
Yes.
The carpet. Yes. During my grandfather's time, magicians could use their magic to fly carpets. Yes, master. I can fly this carpet and I will save both of you from here, master.
Work faster. Get more soil.
Hocus pocus, I need to really focus and then do the magic. I respect my master's wishes and need a magic carpet right now. Master, the carpet is coming to life.
Then order it to save us.
As you wish, master. Brace yourselves. We are about to fly. Oh my goodness! What is this madness? The black thief has escaped again.
Gino, don't fly so high. Hey, don't fly so high. Gino.
Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. We are free now. We are flying.
Mom! I'm so scared and you are laughing.
I wouldn't let anything happen to you, Master. Just look at the scenery around.
What scenery? Wow. This is so amazing.
Look at that, Master.
The moon was hidden behind the clouds because it was shy. Hug me, my love, because I need your embrace.
What song is that now?
It is not one yet, but it will be one day. She fainted again. Gino, do something about her. Help her.
I think that you care a lot about her, Master Aladdin. You must have heard the name.
I do not care about her. She's a huge problem. She is a beautiful problem.
What?
I mean, she's a beautiful problem. She's a problem, but she's beautiful. She's problem, but beautiful. She's beautiful, but she's a problem. Oh, do you understand? Do you know what I'm saying?
No.
I mean to say, just like my mom gets worried about me, her parents too might be worried about her, right? That's what I want to say.
I get it. The magical dates which is given by my mother will surely cure her.
Really?
I will give some to her. Oh my goodness! What is this madness? I just remembered I had given those magical dates to mother and she put them in the dish. I remembered something again. I have a bowl of the dish which is hidden with me right now. I will give that to you. Here you go, Master.
Gino, I feel very sleepy.
I think that you're tired, Master Aladdin. You must have heard the name.
Wake me up when we reach Baghdad.
As you wish, Master.
I swear upon my gold coins, all you do is eat all day, and you sent my innocent child to work. Why has my Gulbadan not come?
Mother, father,
My son has arrived.
look, mother, who I have brought for you. The amazing Ichi Sage. Please come in. Mother, I've already been affected by his greatness.
Oh my god! I don't feel itchy even if I don't bathe for a week. But your presence itself has made me feel itchy.
Come in, scratch. I mean to say, have a seat.
The universe is full of itches. Tell me, what is your problem, my dear?
Our relatives are our problem. Those fools have become rich all of a sudden, but they don't tell us where the wealth came from.
That is a very small problem.
Problems related to money are not small, sir.
You have to give me a goat to get rid of your problems.
I swear upon gold coins. A goat? We cannot afford a goat, sir. Will he be okay?
Nazneen, Sage, you tell us your price.
I do not want anything less than 10 coins.
Deal.
I swear upon gold coins. What are you saying? You shall not get any more than 5 coins.
Okay. This is the herb of truth. Give a little of this to anyone and they shall speak. Nothing else, but only the truth. Now give me the 5 coins.
I swear upon the God Almighty, I don't have a doubt on you. But I don't trust anything until I try it out myself. And here we are talking about 5 gold coins.
Me? Nazneen? Nazneen?
I swear upon gold coins. Now tell me the truth. What do you think about me? Tell me.
About you. She wants to know the truth. You are as fat as a cow. You are so fat and so ugly. You are a witch. I should have married the laundry lady. She would have at least washed my clothes. You are the worst person I've ever come across. I always think about ways to kill you. I would kill you the day I find this golden chance.
I swear upon gold coins. How can you try to be so brave when you are so tiny? Today I will teach you such a lesson that you will never forget this, Nazneen. But today, it is Aladdin's turn. Aladdin would have to tell me the truth now.
Hey! Hey! She looks so cute when she's quiet. When will we get home, Gino?
Look at that, Master. We are home.
Gino, what is this happening?
I don't know, Master. I think that my powers have not come back yet completely. Master, please hold on to something, please. Because we are going to have a rocky landing. Ting, ting, ting.
Thank God that she's unconscious. Listen, we need to hide all the magical things.
Yes.
Chinu,
Yes, master.
where would we hide the carpet?
Master, this is an easy task for me.
Oh my god! This is so amazing! The carpet has become so small!
I think that brother-in-law has lost his mind.
I will become the king of Baghdad because of this dangerous genie. I could not get the lamp even though it was in front of me.
Master,
Hey, can you open these handcuffs?
of course I can. It is an easy task for me.
Chinu, we will be in a huge problem if she wakes up and sees you. Go and wear your Sheikh clothes. Go, go,
As
go.
you wish, master. Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Master, where are my Sheikh clothes? I do not remember.
We are in a huge trouble.
Brother-in-law, I thought that you would have been very sad because of losing the lamp.
What is wrong? Huh? Why have you stopped? Why have you stopped? This is a celebration of my loss. This celebration will not stop. Start! Hey.
Brother-in-law, me?
Dance.
How will we dance here?
Dance!
Brother-in-law,
You both have lost my magical lamp. I sentence both of you to death. The both of you have lost my magical lamp. I sentence you both to death. But I will not kill you with a sword. You will have to dance. The both of you are going to dance till the time you don't shed every single drop from your bodies.
Brother-in-law, have mercy on us.
Have mercy on us,
Please have mercy on us. Please.
I am showing you mercy by giving you an easy death.
Brother-in-law, we are the siblings of your dead wife. We are also your followers, brother-in-law. Before we die, please allow us to just once serve you, brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law, please give us a chance. We will find the lamp and we will give it to you.
Do you both really think that it is going to be easy to find the magical lamp in Baghdad?
You rule the entire Baghdad, brother-in-law. It is just not like that. We will get every lamp in Baghdad for you and place it under your feet,
Yes.
brother-in-law.
If we fail to do that, then we can kill you.
Are you crazy? Brother-in-law, he means that if we don't get it, you can kill us.
You both have 2 days. If I do not get the magical lamp, I will burn down this entire place.
You will get it, brother-in-law.
You will get the magical lamp.
Yes.
You will get it.